Hello, my name is Vane Gisselle and welcome to my channel. I will be posting a Vlogmas episode every day this month. So that you don't miss any videos this month, subscribe and click the bell for future notifications. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share it on your social medias with your friends and family. This is Vlogmas Day 13, December 13th. For today's episode, I will be making pate. The reason I decided to make pate is because it's a tradition in my family. My godmother makes it every New Year's and my cousins and I go crazy for it. So now it's time to show you how to make pate. The ingredients required to make pate: pork and chicken liver. There's one with duck and chicken and then another with duck and pork. So it depends on your preference. Philadelphia cheese, nuts, olive oil, and wax paper. Let's get on to the steps. So, first you will need to take out a wax paper from the box. Okay. Now, put a little of oil, and with a brush, you're going to smear it on the wax paper. Okay, now that that's done, you're gonna open your Philadelphia cheese. In a small bowl, I just poured water and I took out a spoon. Dip your spoon inside the water, press down, grab your pate with your hands and squish it, trying to make it into the form of a sausage. Grab your pate that looks kind of like a sausage and put it on top. So I'm going to keep it as a close-up so you have a better sense of what I'm doing. Now you're gonna flip and fold. Now that I've finished making the pate, you're going to set this aside, a napkin, and clean off the spoon. So one thing you can do is putting your nuts inside of napkin and put your thumb on there and press down. Nuts are crunched, you have two options. You can roll on the nuts everywhere, or you can just sprinkle them on top like so. Thank you so much for watching and see you back tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 14, December 14.